Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to fix this error, the error message or that picture that you are seeing on the screen. We get this error message if Google TV Streamer 4K device is not getting enough power to start. So we get this type of error message if you take power from the TV and connect to the Google TV Streamer 4K. Don't connect USB cable to a USB port of the TV, then other end of that cable we should not connect to Google TV Streamer 4K device. That is a wrong connection. So we should take the power from the power socket using USB adapter. The right side you can see the proper connection. That is how we should connect. The left side, that is a wrong connection. There we are taking power from the USB port of the TV. That will not work. Okay, so you have to take the power from the power socket using USB power adapter, like what is showing here in the right side. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.